talk about supplies you'll need. So essential is a pair of pruners. So you can get these at Michael's, Home Depot, really anywhere where you can get a good quality pair of shears. Also, you're gonna need containers. So this is just a bathroom trash can. So this one only cost $3.50, and so this is my favorite thing to use because it is a nice height. Sometimes if you use the buckets that are like from Home Depot or from a hardware store, they're really tall, and so then your flowers will be like hitting the side of the bucket, which is not great. So that's why I use these bathroom trash cans. I also use smaller containers like this. So this is just for pasta storage. You can get plastic ones too, or you can use vases. And so the reason is that sometimes there'll be flowers that are more delicate or that are shorter, and so I want to make sure to have a couple of these around for that purpose as well. In terms of how many buckets you need, I would put like one bunch of flowers in here. So this is kind of reserved for my shorter, more delicate flowers. And then for like this, I would put a maximum of 3 bunches in here. So if you're ordering 10 bunches of flowers, you need 3 black buckets and 1 of these guys. Greenery you can even put into a Tupperware container, but I don't like to crowd the flowers because that's terrible for them. They hate being smushed and they'll protest. So that's why I need to have a variety of buckets. Of course, you're gonna need, if you're making boutonnieres, you're gonna need that floral tape as well. The other thing that I like to use is zap straps. So these are zap straps, they're known as cable ties. I just got this from the dollar store, and this is what I actually attach my bouquets together with. So they're super easy to use. You just stick one end through the other and then pull it, and then this holds your bouquet together really nicely. And then I just cover it with ribbon because you obviously don't want this ugly plastic thing showing up. So those are the supplies that you're gonna wanna make sure that you have in advance for DIYing your flowers. So I'm always around to answer any questions that come up, so feel free to drop a note and I can help with anything you guys need. Thanks.